Hi everybody, I just want to give you a quick review and comparison of these two juicers. I mainly want to talk about orange juicer because this is a manual orange juicer that is really classic and cool. It's vintage. This is all metal. This is heavy metal. The bottom is heavy metal. It does do orange juice manually. You cut your orange juice and you press it manually like that. It's very cool to watch, vintage like what I said, and it's just fun to have. And we have this electronic juicer. Hurom is the brand of the juicer that I like. It can juice anything: orange juice, vegetable juice, fruit juice, whatever you may think. The major difference is, of course, this is a manual and this is not, and this can juice a lot more different things than just orange juice. And but they do, again, they both can juice orange juice, but in a different way. This will use a little bit of heat. This will just be manual, and it's really fun, and you can control it with just your strength, and you don't have to plug it in. There's no electricity needed whatsoever. So you can actually bring this when you're camping. If you want a squeezed fresh juice when you're camping, this is a perfect tool. This one, you can juice everything known to man to juice. Orange juice, it does great too, but it tends to hold a lot of fiber when you do a lot of orange juice in here, so I have to like empty it halfway. Whereas this one, you just take this out, kind of rinse it off, and then you continue on with your juice. Hurom is a great product. I love this juicer. I've had different brands of juicers before, but this is my very favorite brand. I've had Breville's before. I have I forgot the other brand, Ninja, but Hurom is the #1 juicer for me as of yet. They both will do a great job juicing orange juice. It's just a different way. Again, this is just classic, just manual manpower, where the other one is electronic, but this one does a lot more juicing than just orange juice. Both I highly recommend. Both are great tools to have in the kitchen, and both are really awesome gadgets.